So finally the wait is over for Oxygen OS 11 and here is the review for Redmi Note 7 and Note 7s. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe as many of you are not subscribed to my channel. So in this port Bluetooth turns on but there is audio bug. If you connect to a device then there is no audio output from that device. I'm not sure if the older version of Oxygen OS had live caption, but now it is here. Bubbles is not working and it is due to display over other apps is also not working. These are the customizations that are available in Oxygen OS 11 and as you can see there is canvas. So in canvas you can select any picture and it will be generated into a sketch which can be used as always on display background. So even after hiding Magisk and using Magisk Hide Props module, the safety net doesn't pass. Then comes the Widevine, which is L3 by default.
These my dance make it hurt.
Gameplay.
Cranked. Yeah, boy.
Wait a minute!
Tango down.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Tango down. Enemy down. I'm hurt. Oh. Enemy contact.
Gaming and screen recording at 1080p is not a very big deal for this ROM, as the game was running perfectly smooth for me, and even without screen recording it works perfectly smooth. But I won't recommend this for gaming because safety net doesn't pass, which will lead to crashes, force stop in some games. Luckily COD was working fine for me. Probably it is due to Magisk Hide.
Benchmark results.
So here is the benchmark results of this port, and as you can see it is very average, but the battery backup of this port is very bad. As you can see I only got 3 hours and 58 minutes of screen on time. Now let's have a look at pros and cons of this port ROM. So this port ROM is perfectly smooth and there were no lags while multitasking and using it as normally. Then there is everything from Oxygen OS, even the apps are available too. If you are bored with same old UI and want to try something different, then you can try it out as the UI is completely different. Now let's have a look at cons. So the safety net fails even after using Magisk modules to fix them, and even hiding Magisk won't work. Then there is a major bug and some minor bugs which I will explain in the next clip. And as I previously shared, the battery backup is worst. So the bugs that I faced was DND access permission was not working. As you can see I'm tapping apps but it is not showing anything to change them. Then there is landscape bug. If you watch any video in landscape mode and then change back to portrait mode, it won't change and the app will stay in landscape only. Other than that, there are bugs like display over other apps, Bluetooth audio, Google Assistant is not working too. If you want to try something different, and also if you want to make your friends jealous and make them wonder how did you got this, then you can definitely flash it and give it a try.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Unfortunately, the developer who created this port has left the developing community, and it is because he bricked his device by flashing ROM firmware, and after recovering he don't want to take that risk again. Also he was getting criticized, so we won't be getting any updates from him, but another developer is working on it.